everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make these lovely Japanese raindrop cakes. Okay, these are the things that you need. First of all, you need Sakura flowers because I decided to do Sakura. You can choose other edible flowers or fruits. This flower actually is pickled in salt. You can buy it from Pururun or Isitan, or you can even buy it online. But you have to soak it first. To use warm water to soak it. Second, you need this agar powder. I use Japanese Pururun Agar. You can use Kuniya, but then this measurement will be different. Today I need 15 grams of agar powder. And fine sugar. Fine sugar, I only use 35 grams. You can increase a little bit, you like it sweeter. You need brown sugar. You can boil brown sugar in water and mix it into this consistency. And this one is yellow bean powder. If you want, you fry soya bean and then you grind it into this powder, or you just buy store-bought one. Yeah, that's all we need. So soaking the flour for about 10 minutes, it becomes like this. And it's better to dry it. So you remove any leaf or residue and soak it in kitchen towel. Yeah, I believe that when you dry it nicely, then only it can open up beautifully afterwards. You will see what I mean later. Okay. Okay, you just dry it up. Okay, and ready. Now you need 400 ml of water. Pour into a pot, and you put the sugar inside to melt it. Yep, you put the sugar and agar powder. Okay, let me on the stove. Yep. Okay, you stir it until it dissolves. If it doesn't seem to dissolve, you keep stirring, it will dissolve. Cup. Yeah. Next, fill up this tray. You get this tray, also can buy online or buy from Pururun or Isitan. You can also use the tray that you use for making spherical ice or round ice. Right? It's the same thing. You pour the mixture up to 3/4. If you want it really completely round, you pour all in. Okay, pour all in, it will become round. Next, see the flour? You have to put it inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think if we put in one by one, and you use the tongue to help the flour to open up a little bit. Okay, this stage is very important. A lot of people did not do this, and then the flour failed to open up nicely. So you have to disturb it a little bit. Yeah, just do like what I do. Just squeeze it on the flour, and it will open up beautifully afterwards. Yeah. Okay, I got more flowers. I'm going to put more. don't waste the flowers. There are people who like to eat a lot of flowers. Okay. You actually squeeze the petal a little bit so that it will soak in the agar. So I make it go down. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay, when you're happy with it already, then you're going to cover it. Okay, when you cover it up, you do like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's falling out, huh? It's okay, it's okay. That means I turn the tray a little bit so that you can get a round, complete round shape. Yep, that's it. That's it, you have it. And leave it outside for a while, cover it up. When it's cool, put it in the fridge for at least half an hour, then it'll be very cold. Hi, after 1 hour, the jelly already set. You can take it out. Take a look. And I'm going to scoop it up, okay, into this bowl. Yep. Yep. I did not make a round shape because I think 3/4 shape is alright for presentation. You can make a round sphere if you want. Let me turn it over. Okay, now I'm going to assemble the jelly. Yeah, you scoop it up. Today, I'm using bamboo boat. You can use any plate you want to present this dessert. You can buy this bamboo boat online. Oh. Okay, now you want to pour the this is black sugar. You can melt black sugar, add water and melt it, but I bought this, it's a store-bought. Yep, you just pour it over, or if you want, you can pour it by the side. Yeah, pour it by the side. Yeah, this one I need more. And you put this soya flour. If you're hardworking, you buy soya bean, you fry it, and then you make it into flour. Otherwise, just buy from the store. Yeah. Okay, you can put the flour on the side. Then you can serve it with this little wooden spoon. Isn't it nice? Okay, let me show you. Haha. Enjoy.